you guys, welcome back to my channel. God, this feels so weird to talk. Okay, hello there. So I know it's been very long that I did a video. So I think that the last time I checked my YouTube channel was on, I don't know, remember the date, but I just checked it and it was 4 months ago that I did a video. I think it was something related to makeup or Christmas something, and so this is going to be very chill vlog. And as you all know, it's again quarantine time in 2021. I don't want to talk about that, and I just want to show you guys what I've been doing. So I applied for Masters in Arts in Psychology, and my classes were on from December and till 19th of April. I had my exams and I finally got done with them. I don't want to talk about it, how hectic it was. I mean, online classes are not a good idea. I don't like any part of it. Like legit, I don't like any part of it. I was so fed up with it. Like every day I have to wake up at 10 and just sit in one place and sit in front of the laptop, listen to it for hours on the end. It is just for all these months almost. I didn't do anything apart from the sitting in front of laptop doing the assignments. I didn't post, I didn't do the artwork, I didn't do anything, and I feel so bad about it. Now that I have some free time because my exams are over, I'm going to do this, hopefully. One thing that kept me sane during these 4 months was this. I bought this book from the local stationery shop, a book, Mandala book by Navneet. I can't stress enough how happy I was doing this. Is what you have to do. You just have to fill in these colors. You can do anything you want. I have done so many and it's just so amazing. These are all there are 44 pages in this which you have to color, and there are so many. This is my one of the favorite ones. Colors for this, so I got these pencil colors. They are very cheap. This thing I am eating is Skittles. I don't know why, but I have been hooked on this, and Snickers. Update on my teeth. I guess they are pretty much okay, but I stopped using my retainer a long time ago. I was supposed to use them for a year and I didn't use it even for 6 months, and I'm so stupid, I know. But there is not much change. There is just one tooth that went back to its place. Otherwise it's all okay. Looks fine. So as you can see with the hair, I have let it grow, and see, it's grown a lot. So one thing that I changed with my hair is I have been using a different shampoo that I changed. I was using Tresemme for the longest time, and honestly I was so bored with it and it wasn't really helping my hair anymore. Now I changed the shampoo to the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length, and I can't stress it more how amazing this hair will just, you know, it will be straight, it will be healthy, it will be shiny, and you know, I don't have any hair fall now, and the smell is so amazing. And for the normal care, I've been using the Extraordinary serum. After the hair shower, I use this and it has helped a lot. Hair and skin, for skin as well. As you can see, there are a lot less pimples now because I've been taking care of it. I've been using the Mamaearth face wash as always, and I've been applying aloe vera gel every day. I guess you can use this aloe vera skin care gel by Apollo. The Apollo pharmacy has introduced this. Okay, so mental health wise, where we have been strong and motivated. Most important thing that happened with me was that I was taking medications for almost now two years now, and the best thing happened to me was that when my doctor finally decided to reduce it down to one pill, just one pill. I started with 4 pills every night, and now I'm down to 1 pill every night, which is like such a big thing for me. I mean, it must not be for you, but I mean, I can't stress it enough. When you have anxiety, you have depression, coming down to just 1 pill is so significant. Like, it gets to the point where you kind of start relying on those pills for, that you will feel better. And now that I've been feeling better on my own, because I've worked on myself and I'm still working on myself. It's not like I don't get anxiety, but when you are down to one pill, it is pretty much on your own. You have to take care of yourself on your own. You don't have to rely on pills or any other stuff. And with my guitar, I have not been playing anything pretty much since a year, I guess. I don't know how long it's been that I have not used my guitar. Okay, now that I have successfully tied my hair back because itni garmi ho rahi hai, I am going to Pinterest some canvas art inspiration to see if I can paint something. So this is my Pinterest account. These are all my pins. Let's just go to the art section because I have to draw. I've got 209 pins. Shut up. I think I want to do the Buddha shapes and then go ahead and paint it. So, welcome back. And I fell asleep. Not asleep exactly, I was watching Netflix for a while. I'll show you what I painted. This is the painting basically. So I just fell asleep after that, and I posted it on Instagram, so please go check it out. And my mom's making some shira. I don't know what is it called in English. Let's go and see that. Shira.
Ready to eat. म्हणजे पक्का तयार झाला मी कशीच बनवली.
Going to my friend's house who lives just below few steps down. That's the outfit.
From above, every day would seem turning into love song.
Hi. Sorry. Hi, बोल ना. Hi. अरे हाय So I have finally arrived at my friend's place. Here is the friend. Hi. So that is Vaidehi. Hi. Hello. It is very later, almost 11 o'clock. I am back home now and I am going to sleep. Mummy, that was the lockdown vlog for today and did nothing much. But I hope you like this. Like
म्हणजे
करायला बोल.
हां ओके. आफ्टर लॉंग टाईम वैशू मी व्हिडिओ टाकलाय तर प्लीज लाईक करा आणि शेअर करा. जेवढं शेअर करता येईल तेवढं सांगा.
सबस्क्राईब पण करा
आणि सबस्क्राईब करा, शेअर करा, लाईक करा. गुड नाईट.
ओके बाय.